Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. I am joining in with a new group that just got together. These are awesome creators that have been putting up lots of content for a long time, but they got together as a group, Glam Elegant Living Society, and this is their first video that and challenge they have put up today. The hostess is Lady Phoenix of Really Good Living. She is an awesome channel and as always has such beautiful, elegant things on her channel. I hope you go over and check out what she has done and put together. She always does such beautiful tablescapes on her channel. I always enjoy looking at her sense of style. It is always so beautiful, and you know what she always said? So beautiful! She just loves beautiful things. Now let's see who the co-hosts are for this group. Here is an awesome creative person. She does beautiful DIYs every day on her channel. I hope you go over and check it out. And she did all these beautiful DIYs as you see. And then who else do we have co-hosting? Glamour Ellen. She does such beautiful, beautiful tablescapes every day on her channel. I don't know how she finds the time. And she always puts a sense of style in everything she does. And she's just as pretty inside as on the outside. So sweet, so kind, and I know you're going to love her channel too. And then another one of my awesome friends, Annette's Place. She does such beautiful things on her channel. I always enjoy doing them. It means the world to me that I got to join in with this group because they are so great. Annette always has such great things on her channel, as you can see by these clips. We just joined in the Mad Hatter Tea Party this week too. Awesome. Go check that out also. And now we have ISTYLEMYSTYLE. Oh my gosh, she has a sense of style and beauty on her channel. I hope you go and check it out and see all the things she does. And as you can see, how she puts all these beautiful silver, white, and gray together, and how beautiful it turned out. And now we have the queen of DIYs. She does so many DIYs and tablescapes. I don't know how she finds the time. She is so sweet. I just love her to pieces, and so helpful with everything she does. She loves joining in on all these awesome collabs, and I don't know how she does it all. And then we have Design by CCW, another awesome channel. I know you're going to really love her if you just go and check her out. Beautiful befores and afters on her channel. I always enjoy watching everything she does. Now let's see what Grandma did on her channel. As you can see, this is still CCW's. I jumped the gun again. Oh my gosh. Now here's Grandma's. This is what Grandma did. These are the new things that I bought for this glamorous tablescape that I put together. These are glass plates that I got at Home Goods this payday. I got a set of 4 for $7.99. They are gold, and then I got a set of silver ones for $12.99. So that really wasn't that much money when you break it down. And they are so beautiful, and this is where they came from. I still don't think I can read it. Oh well, nothing we can do about it. I think these look really nice with these green placemats that are on the table with a little silver running through them. And the great thing about having the silver and the gold, there is contrast to be put also. That's why I could have bought them to match, but there's no contrast if everything matches. And that's what I love, some kind of contrast. Well, let's get this table setting set. Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. I normally don't do elegant on my tablescapes very much, but I'm trying one right now. I did buy a few new pieces. Would like to show you what I bought. These beautiful glass plates. The plates are silver and my salad plates are gold. I wanted some contrast and that's why I did it. I thought if it was gold on gold or silver on silver, it wouldn't really look as pretty as this. So I was very happy how it turned out. This is a tablescape for 4. Normally I don't do tablescapes this big, but I was really lucky to find these plates coming in a set of 4, and the salad plates together came to $21. And that beautiful red plate in the center is new for $5, and it came from Turkey. Is it not beautiful? And it matches my red vase that I got at a secondhand store about 2 years ago or 3. So I thought it went perfect. So the total cost was $26 for this tablescape. Most everything you see here I already owned and had. The napkins came from Pier 1. They're new, but they've been used before. And they're white. When they went out of business, I tried to get some new pieces. They didn't have too much. It was a great sale, I thought, for going out of business. But since I had no white napkins, I needed them, so I did pick them up. And the glassware I already had. The tablecloth was something I already had too. So that is nothing new. The flowers were recent. Well, the ones on the table are not recent. The red ones in the vase and the white flowers in the back of it, they're new. But they've already been used in a past post. So we don't need to use that cost. The candlesticks, I'm sorry, have no candles because Grandma has misplaced her candles. I hope she finds them because I don't want to have to go out and buy another set. But anyway, I wanted to use them, so I put them in anyway to show you how glamorous all these pieces look together with all the silver and gold that we have in red. Now these placemats are not new. I've used them already in a past post, but I thought they went beautiful because they're the green. Green goes with everything, and it has the silver going through it, and it looks so great with those silver dinner plates. And then of course the silverware is silver also, color. So I thought everything went really well. Let me know what you thought. I was very happy to have only had to spend $26 for this tablescape that I put together today, because everything else I already owned or had. So leave me a comment in the comment section what you thought was your favorite thing you liked on this table. I love the new plates that I got, and the way the light hits them, they always look a little different. The light's directly hitting this one and it has like a rainbow effect. And over here it's the same plate and the light's hitting it a little differently, so it lights up a little different. That's one reason why I like it. But you can see the rainbow effect on the dinner plate. It's amazing as you look at these and how the light hits it and how I'm walking and moving around, how the light changes on these plates. That's another reason why I bought them, because I noticed that in the store. Well, I can't remember if I told you these beautiful red plates I just got also at Home Goods with the dinner plate and the salad plate. I couldn't ever find the country of origin that those plates came from, but this one came from Turkey, and isn't it beautiful? And I have some glass red chargers that I bought last year
from Hobby Lobby. That, of course, I couldn't find either. So we'll have something interesting to see once I see them or find them to show. But I only have a pair of them, so if I don't find another pair this year, we will be doing a dinnerscape for two. Because most of my dinnerscapes are just for me and Grandpa, because there's only two of us that live in this house. So, hope you enjoyed what I put together. A little bit of glamour, except Grandma forgot her candles, or misplaced her candles. Well, hope you forgive me for that. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy, but don't forget, my channel is designed for adults interested in gardening, miniature gardening, home decor, cooking, cleaning, DIY projects, inspirational talks, or whatever else Grandma can come up with. Because you know, Grandma always loves finding something new and different to add to her channel. Bye-bye for now, all my awesome friends. Kisses and hugs a second time around. If you heard everything I had to say, love you all so much, because this channel wouldn't be any fun without you. Love reading all your sweet comments all the time. Please take care in these trying times.